Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Nashwa Saeed, and this is the seventh lesson in the articulation points and characteristics of the Arabic letters course. Today, we are starting to explain the characteristics of the Arabic letters or صفات الحروف. Before we start, what are the benefits of learning the phonetic characteristics of letters? Actually, there are many. To begin with, the ability to distinguish the correct makhraj from the incorrect one. In a word like اقتربت, if I didn't apply the qalqala, which is one of the characteristics for the vowel qaf, if I didn't apply it in the vowel qaf, so for sure I'm not pronouncing the qaf from its right makhraj. I have to be saying اقتربت, not اقتربت. In addition, the ability to adjust the sounds of homogenized letters which share the same makhraj and have different characteristics. As we know, for example, that jim, sheen, and non-lengthening ya share the same makhraj from the middle of the tongue. If they don't have different characteristics, the sounds of jim and sheen would be the same. Like, for example, when we hear someone saying يخرج instead of يخرج. But since they have different characteristics, so their sounds are different regardless that they are emitting from the same articulation point. Furthermore, the avoidance of pauses when connecting successive vowelless letters. In a word like فضل, if I didn't apply the extending or the istitala in the dad as we will explain later, I wouldn't be able to pronounce the word correctly, and the word would have a pause in the middle saying فضل. It has to be فضل, فضل, without any pause in the middle. Overall, the ability to identify complete and incomplete merging of letters as we will later learn later on, inshallah. The phonetic characteristics of the Arabic letters are divided into two main categories: the inherent characteristics and the conditional characteristics. The inherent characteristics are also divided into two main sections: the ones with opposites and the ones without opposites. The inherent characteristics are the essential features required to articulate the vowel's version of a letter correctly. These characteristics are illustrated in the accompanying picture. The inherent characteristics, the ones with opposites: whisper and its opposite apparentness, then strength, its opposite floppiness, and in between there is a moderation, then elevation and its opposite the lowering, lastly adhesion and its opposite the separation. Inherent characteristics without opposites are qalqala, ghunna, whistle, spreading, flexibility, repetition, extension, and deviation. That's it for today. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.